Hi everyone! In this video today I'm going to be showing you the new KZ ZSX, which is their new IEM with 6 drivers, one of which is dynamic and 5 of them which are armatures, balanced armatures I should say. So today I received the headphones IEMs, so I'm going to start by opening it. And I'm an owner of previous KZ IEMs. I have the CS7 and CS10 and also the AS16. Unfortunately, I don't like the AS16, their sound, so that's a no-go for all hybrids IEM. So I like this dynamic and balanced armatures hybrids. So here you can see the CSX, which is also called the Terminator by them. You can see that it has a 12 number here because it's a 12 driver. In total, it's not that each one is individual, so in this case it's 6 plus 6 is 12, so that's why they use this marketing. The box is similar to other IEMs from them, like the CS7, which I also have. And yeah, let's start by trying to take them out. So they already come with the rubber band here, so I'm going to be pushing it to take it out. And I got the black version. So you can see that it's actually like kind of transparent. You can see the dynamic driver there, and you can see some dynamic, some balanced armatures. Like here you can see 2. Here are 2 more, and here should be the other one, so that's 5. So how will this sound? I don't know yet, but to test them, I'll be using my Hybrid W5 Bluetooth adapter, which is by far one of my favorite adapters to listen to music. And yeah, the reason why I have it here is because I broke it and because it has a problem and I fixed it, so that's why it looks so weird. But yeah, I have my 2-pin cable here that I'm going to be using to test it later. So continuing, we're going to see their cables, which is here. Probably it's the same cable that comes with other IEMs, but we're going to see if that's the case. I got the no mic version, so this one does not have any mic. So yeah, pretty much it's the same C configuration and the cable is the same as their previous IEMs. So there's nothing really different there. And finally the tips that comes included. Let's see the tips that it has, which are their usual star tips. And one just fell. So give me a moment. Alright, so you can see the tips, which are their usual star tips. Kind of feels softer than their previous one, so maybe they changed their the way that they do it. The other ones, when you touch them, they feel harder, but these ones are soft. That's great. So pretty much that's about it for the KZ ZSX unboxing. So as I said, I'm going to be listening to music with them, and let's see how it goes. So to do that, I'm going to be connecting. This is the left side, yeah. So I need to connect my cable. There we go. And now it's time to listen to music. So thanks everyone for watching this unboxing video. Again, I'm going to start listening to music so that I can provide some feedback on how they sound. And as usual, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.